So today we are going to see heap sort. In last lecture we have seen heap sort by using min heap. Today we will see heap sort by using max heap. So the process is same, only the difference is that we have to check the parent node where the parent node should be greater than the child node. Only that is the difference, and that we will do by the heapify method. So the tree is same as of last lecture's our data. So we will start from here. So as doing the comparison 44, 10 and 26, we have to assign the maximum node over in the parent node. So 44 is replaced by 10 and your swapping has been done. That is nothing but your heapify method. In 14 and 31 again the swapping will be done because we have to keep the parent node as the maximum one. Now in this 33, 44 and 31, as 33 is less than 44, again we will do the swapping. Here comes your 44 and here comes 33. Then 42 and 19, 27, 42 is maximum. Now 35, 44, 42, we have to do the swapping in between 35 and 44. Now check. So 33 is greater than 10, 26, 31 is greater than 14, 35 is greater, 42 is greater than 44 is greater. Means this is your balance tree. So you will take out the root node in the array of maximum heap. So the root node is removed from the tree and we will again have the same as the min heap, the last location's node as the root node. So 14 comes here because it was at the 9th location. Now again do the comparison. 33 is greater than 10, 26. So no need of swapping. 35 is greater than 33, 31. No need of swapping. 42 is greater than 19 and 27. No need of swapping. But 14 is less than 42. So you will have to do the swapping, and here 42 comes and here 14 comes. Now again check. Now we have to do the swapping over here because 27 and 14 are the mismatched things. So here comes 27, here comes 14. Now this is the balance tree. So because 33 is greater, 35 is greater, 27 is greater and 42 is greater. So we will take out the root node in the array, that is 42. So again you will replace this root node by the number which is present at the last location, that is 26. So you will remove this branch from here. Now check. 33 is greater than 10? Yes. 35 is greater than 33, 31. 27 is greater than 19 and 14. This is balanced. But 26 is less than 35. So we have to do the swapping in between this. So here comes 35, here comes 26. Now again we will check. So here this is misbalance. So 26 and 33 will be swapped. So here comes 26 and here comes 33. Now this is the balance tree because 26 is greater, 33 is greater, 27 is greater and 35 is greater. So our next number is 35, which is at the root node in the array. So you will remove the number from here and here comes the next number 10 because it is present at the 7th location. Now again check. 33 is greater than 31, 26. 27 is greater than 19 and 14. But 10 and 33 we have to do the swapping. So here comes 10, here comes 33. Now again you have to check. So 26, 31 and 10, in this swapping will be done in between 13 and 10. Now 31 is greater, 27 is greater, 33 is greater. So here is your balance tree. You will take out the root node as 33. Now again we will check the node which is present at the last location is 6th node, that is 14 number. It is kept over here. 31 is greater than 26, 10. 27 is greater than 19. Now 14 is less than 31. So here you will do the swapping. Here comes 14, here comes 31. Now again 14 and 26 we will do swapping. Here comes 14, here comes 26. Now this is the balance tree. So the next number is 31. So you will remove the number from here and the next number as a root node is 19. Now again check it. So 26 is greater than 14, 10? Yes. But 19, 27, 26, there is a mismatch. So here comes 27, here comes 19. So next, 26 is greater than this, 27 is greater than 26, 19. So here comes 27 as the next node. Now again your root node is replaced by the last node, that is number 10, which is at the 4th location. Now again check, 26 is greater than 14? Yes. But in 10, 26, 19 there is a mismatch, so 10 and 26 will be replaced. But here again comes the mismatch, so 14 and 10 will be swapped. Now the tree is balanced, so our next number is 26. Now you will remove the root node from here and the next number is 10. So now 10, 14 and 19, we will do the swapping between 19 and 10. It is balanced now, so our next number is 19. Now again you will remove here and 10 will be placed. Now do the comparison. So here comes again swapping by 10 and 14. So our next number is 14. In this way we are getting our last number as 10, as now there is no any child node, so our last node is 10. And in this way, by using max heap method, our array is sorted. So this was max heap, where the parent node should be greater than the child node, and by using the heapify method, the tree is sorted. Thank you.